all Chainsaw Man cosplayers.
Yeah, I don't know if this place.
This area, this where city,
I'll help you out, host.
this is gonna be the city.
Alright, all Chainsaw Chainsaw Man cosplayers, get ready for a group photo, please.
Let's be the center. So we got some of you on the other side. Let's even it out, please.
If you can, try to scooch in. Alright.
Let's wait for. Wait, get any more? Got any more cosplay coming in? Wait.
Any other cosplayers?
Reze. Let's see. Reze as much as possible, please.
Alright, looking good. Anyone else?
Let's see. Everybody can see you see everybody's faces? All right.
Yeah, we got it.
1.
2, 1. Second pose. Dance pose. Dance pose. Oh, you okay? Are you okay? Oh my Lord. Are you okay? Oh man.
Everyone position.
All right, count out.
One more.
All right.
Bunny girl Makima, come to the front. Again, yep, you're fine right there. Yeah, good. All right, second pole, going. And shooting.
Man, I'm so hungry right now. All that smelling food.
Okay. 3. All right. You good? Relax.
All right, I'm gonna call up the characters. First character is Kobeni.
Oh, I got a theme.
Kobeni.
Oh, too loud. Too loud.
Oh, you played it so cool. What? Yeah.
You know what? I'll put a theme the moment all Kobeni's up there because it's very short.
I know. Oh, that's funny.
All right, ready?
All right, all Kobeni's ready? One. Okay, pose 1.
Let me know when you start the countdown.
3, 2, 1. Change pose.
Kobeni, you are so awesome, your acrobatics.
All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, relax. All right, next.
All right. Power.
Power.
I got her emotional theme. Does that count?
For sure, yeah. Like yeah, we're doing. Yeah, you're right. Oh, it is right.
I got you an emotional theme. I hope it
Power
counts.
up. Look this way. Just to your right, please. Up.
Wait a minute, you could drive?
All right, pose 1.
3, 2, 1.
All right, second pose. Breathe in. Good, a little bit more on the light side. Breathe in. Take it. All right, shooting. And 3, 2,
1.
All right, relax.
All right. Denji.
All right, Denji, here we go.
What do you want to call after this? You want to call after Denji? Makima?
Yeah.
All right, after Denji, it'll be Makima.
Makima? Okay, gotcha.
Makima will be after Denji.
All stations, drop what you're doing and stop Denji.
one more ditch. We got one more ditch. Two of you on that side, please. Two of you on that. Two of you, go to the other side, please. What? Wait, yeah, just Denji. All right, hold one. Yeah, Pedro. And 3, 2, 1. All right, Denji, relax. Makima. Wait, Aki next?
Yeah, Makima.
Aki,
There we go.
Aki after...
Yeah.
All right, after Makima will be Aki.
Aki.
Okay, well, after Makima will be Aki and then Himeno, if you have any.
Sorry, I don't.
Oh, we had to call up the side characters.
All right, Makima, first pose. All right, 3,
3, 2, 1.
change pose.
Change pose.
The bloody red devil.
You know, I just realized something. You would say you're just Miss Kobayashi, but without the glasses.
Maybe.
Oh, Kobayashi, right?
3,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know.
3, 2, 1. All right, relax. Aki.
I don't know if this theme fits well with him, but I heard it's unofficial. But easy kill.
We'll call it Gun Devil later. Just Aki. Just Aki. Aki.
Normal hockey.
All right. We did it. We did play. All right, first pose.
That is
3, 2, 1. Change pose.
Use your sword.
It's not a sword.
I mean, Devin said it's the bomb double.
And 3, 2, 1. All right, go relax. Himeno. What do we call it, the Himeno?
I forgot about her. Sorry, I don't have a theme.
Kichibe?
I'm trying to remember his name.
Unfortunately, it's last year's because I have all the
Yeah.
Chainsaw Man soundtracks. But I always keep my songs like for that year. But
All right, and Mark Himeno.
Yeah,
I do have a song for her.
I forgot.
Alright.
Yeah, I've been trying. I forgot that Himeno
that's
was
the
there
next
maybe
character we're
because
calling
it's just been so long.
Yeah, the song I have
First
for her
pose.
is like when she started using overpowers and ordered them for disappearing.
Yeah, man. I've been trying to find which ending is emotional, but I can't find either one that seems emotional.
Oh, you just street like last year.
I remember that Devil appeared at Anime Expo
Right,
last year.
get ready.
Whoever made that thing is a master craftsman. I'm like, oh my lord, dude.
Right.
That must have took a lot
And
to
relax.
array here.
You're good.
You
went next.
It's that guy inside.
Kuchibe?
No, the array or whatever.
Array.
Array. Array or whatever. I forget his name. Sorry.
All right. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah.
He's in season 1, right? Because I don't remember a lot of
Green
characters.
season 1.
I don't remember.
He got stuff right over there.
Hey. What?
Oh my god!
It should have been me.
It should have been you. 3. All right, change pose.
Chainsaw has a lot of endings. I didn't know this one was really good.
All right, we're good.
There's so many songs.
Reze. One double. Reze.
Oh, she's Reze?
I was thinking from another anime.
First pose. 3, 2, 1.
Change pose.
Change pose.
All right.
Angel Devil.
Angel Devil. We want to have the Angel Devil.
Pochita.
Pochita.
I should have studied this because I only got the short ending of the song. Oh well, that's fine.
Okay. All right. First pose. 2. All right.
Change pose.
Change pose. Funny moment. All right, hold it. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Right, relax.
Yoru.
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 Any more Yoru?
Okay.
Hey. Wait. Oh, you forgot something. Bigger cross. Okay. Propose. Three, 2, 1. All right, change pose.
I'm gonna hit you with the chair.
Okay, right on. Oh, okay, you're in. Alright, hold it, you got it. Oh, yeah, good. Go. Oh, no, turn her out.
You good.
Alright, hold it.
1.
Alright, relax, you're good. We're good.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna do the Devil Hunter.
Devil Hunter. We're gonna do this next. The Devil Hunter. All Devil Hunters.
All Devil Hunters. All Devil Hunters. Oh, wait! I didn't call Pochita!
Pochita. Our favorite devil.
They just reminded me.
Yeah, we should call. I think we should call for any other character that we need to bring up already.
Okay, I'm gonna see what these characters.
And more Pochita. All right, Pochita ready. Right, and 3, 2, 1. Second pose. All right, second pose. Wait. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, relax.
Whip Devil. The Whip Devil.
Whip Devil.
The Whip Devil.
Whip Devil.
Whip Devil.
I think we're doing Gun Devil. I think we're doing Gun Devil there.
Like that also Yoru.
Whoa.
We call it up. We call it up Yoru. Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1. All right, change pose. Change pose. Yep.
I thought he's supposed to be metal.
3, 2, 1. All right, Gun Devil.
Gun Devil.
Gun Devil.
Gun Devil.
And then go to Kishibe after.
Gun Devil. Gun Devil. Gun Devil.
Oh, snap, sorry.
Gun Devil.
Alright, first pose. And
3, 2, 1.
chase pose. And 3, 2, 1.
Alright, Kishibe.
Kishibe. Three, 2, 1, chase pose. I think you need to call him out there. The one
What should we
that-
call?
yeah.
Oh, yeah. What should we call?
Never trust what a hunter says. Never trust what a hunter says.
3, 2, one more. All right, let's take a pose again. Take a pose again. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, good.
Alright, to do a power, Aki and Denji.
Any other individual character that was not called up? Yeah, get over there. Punchy. Punchy. Okay, yeah, punch. All right, first pose. 3, 2, 1, chase pose. And 3, 2, 1. All right, relax. Any other individual? And we did not call up. Yeah. And 3, 2, 1, change pose. Good, 3, 2, 1. All right, relax. Any more character when I called up? Oh yeah. Three, 2, 1, change pose. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, any more individual characters not called up yet? Arthur, yeah. Any more Arthur? All right. We did both Arthurs. We did play. Oh, we did a little bit more. Very good. First pose.
I know, I'm really surprised. I know.
3, 2, 1. Change pose.
You must really love that head, don't you?
All right, relax.
All right. We're gonna do.
Okay. Any other individual that would not come up yet?
I think that's it.
All
So
right, we're going to group next.
Power, Denji, and Aki.
All right, Power, Denji, Aki.
Oh, snap.
Keep in mind, all Denji, you're going to be there for the next few group pairings, or next few club pairings.
Thank you.
Oh man, my legs. I never realized this song fits so well with you guys. It's so funny yet so upbeat. I didn't. Yeah, there's so many endings to Chainsaw Man. I didn't think this one was so upbeat. This is ending 7.
One, second normal phone, and then we're doing a 2 signatures after. Take a normal phone. They can dance both for later. Alright, 3, 2, 1, alright? Carrot, you can carrot for the carry pose, we'll do the carry, and then we'll do the dance. Carry pose.
Let's do the dance.
Alright, I'll get the dance song for you then. I'll get you the song for the dance then. If you can dance, do it.
Alright, okay. Ready?
We're doing Kobeni and Violence next.
Kobeni and Violence.
Kobeni and what?
Kobeni and Violence.
Violent. Oh, I don't know that character. Or do I? Oh.
Next, okay, after Kobeni Violet, the next will be Aki Himeno.
This is ending 8. Oh, snap.
Hey, Kobeni, how's the new job?
Oh, sorry.
Alright, Kobeni, good pair ready? Right, first pose.
I swear, I appreciate the fact that I work out at the gym with my legs now and then. I'm so squatting so hard.
J pose.
Do you have water?
Three, 2, 1. Right, relax. Aki Himeno.
Aki and Himeno.
Aki and Himeno. Yeah, I'll just play through all the endings.
After this, we'll keep Aki and then we'll pair it with Angel Devil. Breathe in. All right, first pose.
Parker sharing a kid? No, not a kid. Cigarette, sorry.
Easy kill.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Second pose.
Wait.
Someone.
We'll do that part last. We'll do second normal pose, and then we will do the Jimenez departure lap.
3.
All right, well done. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do the Jimenez untimely end.
Senpai, no! Oh yeah, that's perfect. I can still remember that thing. It's too haunting, man. I can never get rid of it in my head. It is so haunting. I'm like, oh no.
3, 2, 1. All right, relax. Auntie, stay there. Jimenez out. Angel Devil, join in.
Angel Devil, go up.
Put in. Kobeni day to day later on.
Yeah.
We have to call him.
What is she, a monkey? I'm like, no, she's just better than you.
After pull Denji. After this, will be Denji, Pochita, and then Denji and Makima.
It's kind of ironic how I underestimate Kobeni and then when I saw her in action, man, I'm like, oh my lord, okay, maybe I really shouldn't have done that.
Or she's just doing it just for the bonus, like you said.
It's too bad we don't have that girl that gives up her fingernails just to summon that
1.
snake.
Change pose. Three, 2, 1. All right, relax. Denji and Pochita.
Pochita and Denji. Denji and Pochita. I never thought Amos sung Ending 9. I never thought that Amos would sing Ending 9 for Chainsaw Man.
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. Oh, sorry, I went in the way. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, you can hear it now. You know what's missing? We need like a toast. Various types of jams and honey.
How about this? Let's put Pochita in the middle and all the Denjis around Pochita. Pochita in the middle, Denji's around them. Alright. First pose. 3, 2, 1. Second pose. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Right, relax. Get it out. Makima, join us. Don't get Denji and Reze. Alright, after Denji Makima, we will swap Makima for the Bomb Devil.
I gotta. Yeah. Oh snap! My legs. Yeah, it's a little sore, but I'm just glad I worked out my legs at least. No, like this con's been my workout. I got run and go. So I'm walking everywhere.
All right, first pose.
I like a Denji.
3, 2, 1. Down your knees, man. Right. 3, 2, 1, take a pose.
I'm just gonna put my
Yeah,
wig on
that's
now.
fine. That's fine. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, man.
Oh yeah, yep. Yep, like a dog, like a dog. Yeah, like a dog. There you go.
Arf, arf, arf. Woo, woo, woo. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
3, 2, 1, right? Relax. Denji stay. Pocket leg can go back. And frog double. Up, roll down. Reze and Denji.
Internet rumors tell me that Reze and Denji a thing? I don't know.
They're about 20 minutes left. About 20 minutes.
I only hear internet rumors, but you guys are a thing? I don't know, it's just internet rumors.
Alright, first pose.
Oh, gotta make sure I...
Denji, come a little closer. Bring it.
3, 2, 1, second pose. You know what? I have to get the knee. So all the Denji in the front again, and one devil right behind him. Spin it a bit. Yeah, there. Alright, here we go. And 3, 2, 1, right? Relax.
Denji and Yoru.
Denji and Yoru. Denji and Yoru.
Oh, yeah. It's alright. Oh.
Ready for a pose. One more. Yeah, one more. 3, 2, 1. Second pose.
Oh.
Turn them more that way. Yeah, good.
Oh.
And don't in 3, 2, 1. Right? Relax. Kobeni and Reze. Kobeni and Reze.
We have to do chainsaw man.
Three, 2, 1. Second change pose.
Oh, this is the guy that died in season 1, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
In
okay.
the
Now I
assault.
remember.
Yeah,
I'm
assault
like,
by that guy.
it sucked, but whatever.
Yeah. Two, 3, 1. You know what? We got the other pair. We're gonna do that death scene again. We're gonna do the death scene again. Yeah, we'll just do it. Okay, hold on. Wait, yeah, 1 more. 3, 2. All right, relax. All right.
We can do Denji and Power.
Yeah, Denji and Himeno.
Denji and Himeno.
Oh boy!
Change pose.
I won't deny this. I almost barfed at that scene. It was so bad. Oh, I didn't. I'm glad I didn't eat that time. Yeah, I remember. I was like, I literally trying to. Okay, hold it.
I'm glad you did, because I'm right here.
Denji Power.
I thought I was gonna handle it. I'm like, oh, it's not that bad later on. Okay, you know what? I'm glad this was this.
Denji and Power.
I can still remember that scene. I'm so glad I managed to hold it.
That was on me. I mean, it's just a pretend.
Yeah, but I remember when I watched the episode of it, I'm like, oh my lord. I almost so glad that I didn't eat anything in the morning or ate something very light.
Oh yeah.
I won't lie.
All Denji Power knocked out, yeah.
No, I think the scene where he swallowed it was where I almost died.
Three, 2, 1, right, relax.
I guess ending 12 was the right way to end it off. Do we have a katana man at least? All right, yeah. All right, I'm gonna put up your theme, Denji. I'm gonna put up your theme, Denji.
Yeah, there we go.
And then we go after that, we'll do a couple of suggestions, open suggestions, and then we'll do a final grill.
I have one suggestion, although it's up to the guy if he wants to do it. It's where Aki and Denji have a competition. Who can make them squeal?
How about the gentleman on one side, Denji on the other side?
Hey, wait!
So all the chainsaw men up, Denji on that side, katana man on the outside.
Never trust what a hunter says.
Change boat. Alright, 3, 2, 1, alright. Denji, there's the gun devil.
Denji versus the gun devil.
Hey.
Where's the gun devil? Oh, there's one.
After this, we will do Denji and the companion. Second pose. This will be the last planned pairing. We will do a few up into Jensen, and then we will do a final shoot.
This is gonna hurt a lot. Wait, oh.
3, 2, 1. Alright, well, open suggestion.
Any open suggestions?
James on one side, all the other devils in the other. Mark, no. On the other side.
Oh, sorry.
This song did not go well with this.
3, 2, 1, straight close. Alright, well, any more suggestions?
Sacrifices.
Any more suggestions?
Oh, we got one.
Oh, Makima sacrifice.
We need.
Makima sacrificing.
So what was your
All right.
deal? Was it the sailors? The chairs? What was it?
Wait, like one side, one on the other. Yeah.
You get one more Makima up here, over here.
I don't think there is someone just brought tears, so you can just play on the
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, dropping dead's good. Because you can catch it.
Wait, yeah, Sean, lay dead, but like parallel to them. Yeah, like you already died. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm done.
3, 2, 1. All you guys.
I knew you were strong, but I didn't think you were this strong.
You can do like a control fall.
It's sad. They should have gone for the head,
We got one more suggestion.
or they should have double checked.
Kobeni and Power. Yeah.
Have we done that already?
Kobeni and Power.
Kobeni and Power.
Oh yeah. Power trolling Kobeni. Troll.
Ooh, that was funny.
Well, you were in the second best.
Yeah, I was think we could get second.
Hey, good shit on this.
Yeah, I'm so glad it's funny.
Go like this.
This is the ending song for you, Power. I think this is the right ending song for her.
Yeah, it is for her.
Yeah, because I saw an image of it and I'm like, okay, fits. Whoa!
Now we just fall?
Alright, 3, 2, 1, chase both.
Hold it. You're good. You're good. You're good.
3, 2, 1, right?
And done.
Final group shot.
Final group shot.
Sure, go ahead.
Final group shot, eh? All cosplayers.
All group shot.
I think we're a little too close, so the photographers back up, please. There's a spot between Porky and Denji. Yeah, right in front of the gate.
Oh, sorry.
I got more. Come on, cosplay, final group. We are going to do 3 poses for this final shot. So, what? Make it move. Get on the ground.
There we go. Thank you guys so much.